I thought we finished already, but here comes the last performer. Oh, what's your name?
Danvit.
Okay, how old are you?
5.
Varnit, when I taught him, he's like him only. Okay. So imagine how small he is and how small Varnit was when I started teaching him. What are you going to play, by the way?
Pirates of the Caribbean, Granny and Goat.
Pirates of the Caribbean. Okay, now, are you ready? Okay, please welcome Danwit. Isn't it amazing? Okay, we'll wait for him to finish the song. Okay. Thank you, Danwit. What can you say about the music? What can you say about the song?
First I played Pirates of the Caribbean, now Granny, one more song now.
Still another one. Okay. Please welcome again. That's actually something from within. That is just sharing it in order for you to understand. So that's how music is being transformed into something like this. It's actually from, I hope that you are going to play again next time. Okay, thank you.